The need to answer this question is due to a modern understanding of time created by the invention of chronometers and clocks, whose accuracy in measuring time made it seem as if time can be measured in a precise and consistent way. With Einstein, it was appreciated that the modern understanding of time is very much related to the position of the individual at any given moment in time. It is true that where the individual remains in one place, an accurate watch or clock will record the passing of time in a precise and consistent way. The complication arises when the individual begins to travel, because added to the factor of time, there is now the question of what happens to time in space. Here the watch or clock does not record the same time which was recorded precisely and consistently when the individual was standing in one place. And a long journey may take the traveller through various time zones. When the distance becomes incredibly great, this difference is exaggerated still further. Events that happened in the past may appear to be catching up with what is happening in the present. This could be used to justify as well the view that it is possible to anticipate events which will happen in the future. Hence the claim about the mythical time machine. But let us return to the notion of time as understood by the individual who is stationary in one place. Measured by his experience of the passing of time as he looks at his watch or clock, there is no journey into the past nor into the future. For him it is always present, and the passage of time is measured correctly so long as his timepiece is working efficiently. The apparent journey to the past and future is eliminated as calibration takes place. It's a question of calibrating the distance travelled, and as this calibration takes place continuously, so it remains a continuous present and the measuring of the passage of time from the present. David Hume may have referred to the modern understanding of time as an artifice, or something we have created to serve our needs. And in the ancient world, time was understood in different ways. For the psalmist, one day with the Lord is like 1,000 years. For him, the human and divine perspectives on time were very different. At the back of the teleological argument as used by the theists, there is this concept of purposiveness in the creation, as if the unfolding of history is the unfolding of an amazing design. And so the events of history are not merely random happenings, but part of a much wider plan.
Aileen.